In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get PlayStation 5 discount codes. So let's get started. So let's say you're looking to buy a new console and you're going to PlayStation.com and you're looking for one console and it's too expensive and you're looking for a discount, maybe 20% discount or 25% discount. Well, yes, you can get a discount. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and you're gonna go to Google and search up PlayStation 5 discount codes and then you're gonna hit enter. Alright, so once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website coupon follow. So I'm gonna click on this now. So as you guys can see, it is showing us the PlayStation coupon codes. So now the first one is save 25% off using this code. Well, 25% sure is a lot. So I'm gonna go claim this offer. So I'm gonna click on this. As you can see, it was last used 10 minutes ago. So I'm gonna click on it. And that's the code right there. So I can copy the code and I can continue to PlayStation the website and carry out my purchase. Similarly, there are many other codes. So save $10 off with this discount code. Then there's 5%. Then there is 20% off using PlayStation coupon instantly. There are many codes you can do. So yeah, that's how code works for PlayStation. And so whenever you buy a console, I always recommend you to use codes. It can save a lot of money. And yeah. So alright guys, that'll be for the video. I hope it helps you out. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.